Hello, I'm continuing my video lecture series based upon database management system. Now I'm continuing my previous video like normal forms. Now we are going to see about a third normal form and advanced version of BCN, third normal form. Third normal form, it is a relation will be in 3NF. It will be given data, given example detail will be on 2NF and not contain any transitive or partial dependencies. Transitive means it is an indirect relationship. Partial means somewhat the dependency will be happening here. 3NF is used to reduce the data duplications. It is also used to achieve data integrity. If there is no transitive dependency for non-prime attribute, then the relation must be in third normal form. The relation is in third normal form. It holds at least one of the following conditions of every non-trivial function dependency x tends to y. X is a super key, y is a prime attribute. Non-prime attribute means it is not in the one part of candidate key. There is no candidate key in the part of prime attribute. But here prime attribute means the candidate key is a prime attribute. Each element of y is part of sum of candidate key. Okay. We have an example. Employee detail table, employee ID, name, zip, state, city. We are going to convert this table 2NF table into 3NF. So we are going to convert like 3 number of tables, maximum of 3, minimum of 2. Super key is a table above. Super key means it is an primary key with one attribute. So employee ID is a primary key, then employee ID with employee name, employee ID with employee zip, employee ID with state, employee ID with city. These are the super key. Candidate key is employee ID. Same primary key also employee ID. Non-prime attribute means there is no non-prime attribute here because there is no candidate key after left out the primary key. Okay. Here employee state and employee city depend upon the zip, but zip depend on employee ID. The non-prime attribute is employee state and employee city. Transitive dependent on super key employee ID. It is violate the rule number normal form. That's why we need to move zip city, employee city and state to the new employee zip table with the zip as primary key. Going to violate the convert the second normal form into third normal form. Now employee ID zip, name zip is on one table, employee zip table, and then employee zip state city. This is on second table. So we are converting in BCNF, not third NF. Now we are going to see about a BCNF. It is a wide code normal form. BCNF means it is an advanced version of 3NF and stricter than 3NF. In a table is in 3NF, if every function dependency extends to y, x is a super key of the table. For BCNF, the table should be in 3NF. For every function dependency, left hand side is super key. Let us assume that is a company with where employee works is more than one department. Employee table, employee ID, employee country, department, department time, department number. In this we are going to convert as function dependency. Employee ID tends to employee country, employee department tends to employee type and employee number. Candidate key of this table is employee ID and employee department. That is a unique identifier. Table is not in BCNF because neither employee department nor employee ID alone are keys. We are going to decompose this given table. Same as in 3NF. So maximum of 3 to minimum of 2 tables. Employee country as a one table, employee ID, employee country. Employee department as a next table, and then employee department mapping is it's a third table. This is the BCNF. Employee ID tends to country, employee ID, department tends to department type, department number. Now we are seen about on 3NF and BCNF. 3NF is an stricter version of BCNF. Same as a 3NF, but the given table will be in 2NF, and then next we are going to convert about decompose into 3NF, and then for BCNF the given table will be in 3NF. Now we are and then we are decompose into BCNF. Thank you.